You know, it's one good thing about it being frozen. It comes off in big chunks. at the bottom. Okay. Here, I got this. You go ahead and get the drill and the hammer. Better, huh? Yeah, I almost did.
What?
You know what that is?
What is that? That sounds familiar.
McKinsey Brothers.
Oh, yeah.
The letters didn't come up.
The letters?
Yeah.
Oh, there they are.
Okay.
Never mind. So, we're pretty much, that's pretty much all the pieces that we got cut. I have a shit ton of pieces that I brought home, so I have a good handful of 5-footers and stuff that I can cut into other stuff. That's enough for the pieces that I have cut up right now. I have other pieces that'll fit over there, that'll get sealed up. I might put a window there for an air conditioner because I figure hot air would rise, so having an air conditioner on the loft would be nice because it would keep the loft cool, but then all the cool air would go down and circulate with the bottom and the hot air would come up. So that actually might be a good idea to put a window unit right there. And yeah, we're looking into sealing, and honestly you think we're probably just gonna put some tape up there
For the winter.
tape on the holes, and when it gets warm, because a lot of the sealant actually requires like 65 degrees of weather for like when you paint it on, otherwise it would stick. And can you rent like hot pressure washers? Or
Maybe.
Or could we run it through our water heater?
I'm not sure.
Could you look into hooking up a hose?
I can hook it up. I'm
Okay.
not sure the pressure washer is meant to have hot water, but we can find out.
No, they can handle hot water.
Yeah, then I can do that. I can
what-
just make a spigot with hot water.
Yeah, well, it's just temporary because, well, the thing that I'm thinking is a lot of this, whenever I'm going to get this done, I want to like pressure wash it with hot water on the inside and on the outside, just because there's a lot of junk, a lot of like leaves and stuff stuck to everything, and that might also help get rid of like the black stuff, because you see there's like black gunk on this. It's like dirt and moss or whatever. And then I'll go over with like angle grinder with a brush on it and brush off some of the rust, because there's a little bit of rust. And hopefully, like what I figure, we'll put house paint on the walls, because the walls don't have to be so sealed. I can just slather like a big thick coating of regular house paint on there every year. But then the roof, that'll have like that expensive sealant stuff that has like fiberglass in it or whatever. And
A little wiggly.
Oh, I'm racing that way. Oh, I got my chair. Got that out of the trash. Check it out. It's 1970s vintage, 60s, whatever it is. It's very, very springy. It's also broken, but I can fix it. Who cares? And it's really great. It feels like we're inside.
I'm not tired.
No. No, one bad thing about this is that all the holes, you can actually see all the like the sun holes poking through. And whenever it rains, those holes are a bit of a problem. This peak here is really the problem though. Because
There's no actual covering of the peak.
yeah, so there's like a line of wet.
Mm-hmm.
And so I'll fix that, and then I'll fix a lot of stuff. The holes don't leak as much as I thought they would. Excellent camera work. I don't know what else to do. I hit my thumb like 4 times, and I'm just really... I don't want to take my glove off, because I know that as soon as I do that, it's just going to... Like, I'm not going to put the glove back on, because it's like, you know what? Work's over. So, work's over, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya.